Factories are really struggling, whether it be Tyson, where there's just a horrible article about what it was like initially there, initially being not that long ago. Whether it be Elon Musk, his rant this weekend, let us go to work. We are not, well, this is the first time I can say this, but unfortunately, we're not a manufacturing country, but maybe it's fortunate right now because they're the ones that can at least put out product. The product is going to be curtailed. I know that we had no autos to speak of sold last month.
I agree with Elon Musk. He's one of the biggest employers and manufacturers in California, and California should prioritize doing whatever they need to do to solve those health issues so that he can open quickly and safely, or they're going to find, as he's threatened, he's moving his production to a different state.